Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Apple App Store verification required error. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. The app verification required error message pops up when you attempt to install or update an application from the App Store, and whenever this error occurs, it means you might have unpaid subscriptions on your iPhone must have never downloaded any free or purchased apps, or the payment method might have been failed or has not been updated properly. To get out of this situation and solve the error, the first thing to do is to go to your iPhone's settings and from the settings menu, tap on your Apple ID at the top of the screen and tap on Payment and Shipping. On the next page, tap on your listed payment method. You can also add a credit or a debit card if you've not set a payment method yet. Enter your number available on your debit or credit card, enter its expiry date and the CVV number. After you are done, tap Done at the top right. Once you enter your payment method, you'll be able to solve the issue right away. If that didn't work for you, the next step is to update media and purchases info. Go and tap Open Settings from your iPhone again, and from the settings menu, tap on your Apple ID. Select Media and Purchases from the next page, and in the pop-up, select View Account. From the Account tab, tap on Manage Payments. Now, select your payment method and also try to change your payment information. Sometimes, simply changing your payment information might help in this situation. After you are done, go back to your App Store, try downloading an application and see if that fixes the issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try whenever you're going through App Store verification required error message while downloading an application. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.